Most people are using Claude like a search engine. They type in questions, getting answers, feeling smart, but still haven't figured out how it can actually make you money. Meanwhile, there's a smaller group, and I do mean small, using Claude to run their business, build their digital products, and create passive income. Two totally different results. Now, here's the truth nobody tells you. The difference between the two has nothing to do with your tech skills, experience, or background. It comes down to 6 specific things inside of Claude that most beginners don't even know exist. I'm a former electrician, earned multiple 6 figures, and now use Claude to build my own digital product business. So buckle up, I'm going to show you all 6 right now. And by the end of this video, you'll know which one can start making money for you ASAP. So let's get into it. Now, the first one you probably already know about, which is Claude Chat. You go to Claude AI, you type something in, and Claude responds. Pretty simple, right? It works in your browser, on your phone, your desktop, same conversation, synced everywhere. And I'll be honest, this is great, but here's what you need to understand. This is just the beginning. There are 5 other ways that Claude can save you time and make you money, which most people are not aware of. But before I show you number 2, let me ask you something. How many times have you wanted AI to stop telling you what to do and actually do it for you? If that's you, then the second one may shock you. And it's called Claude Cowork. Now, Cowork is a desktop app that lives right on your computer. And unlike chat, it don't just answer questions. It actually does the work for you. You give it a task and it goes to work. No code, no tech skills required. And another example, let's say you're planning a trip. You can tell Claude Cowork what you need to pack, where to shop, and to list everything in an easy to follow PDF you can use while you're shopping. And this can all be done in minutes. So for your business, this could be emails, your documents, your content drafts, all done for you. Claude now goes from your everyday chatbot to a 24-hour personal assistant that works directly on your computer, who never sleeps, never calls in sick, and never ask for a raise. And the best part is this works for the non-techie people who wants AI to take action, not just give instructions. So just imagine selling an extremely valuable product that saves your customers or your clients hours per day, where you can charge anywhere from $97 to $397 per month while pocketing all the profits. Now, before we move on to number 3, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be creating a full walkthrough of these tools that will open your eyes to even more possibilities. No fluff, no tech overwhelm. You'll learn exactly how to use them. And look, if you think Cowork was impressive, the next one will blow your mind. And that's Claude Dispatch. Now picture this, you're out, could be the coffee shop, the dentist's office, picking up your kids from school, wherever. You pull out your phone and send Claude a task. Claude then goes to work on your desktop at home, finishes the job, and then sends you a message on your phone with the results. And get this, it could have been one continuous conversation that could have started on your phone on the way to work and then followed up on your laptop at home. Now, same thread, same memory without repeating yourself over and over again or starting all over. Now, this is what running a business that gives you true freedom looks like. You're out living your life while Claude is handling most of the work. Okay, now let's move on to number 4, which is Claude Code. Now, relax, don't bounce after hearing the word code. Is not what you think. Claude Code is not about you writing code. It's about Claude writing the code for you. I'm a former electrician. I'm not a developer, and I have 0 experience writing code. It could build you apps, websites, AI agents, just about anything you can think of. You want an AI agent that books appointments for you or your clients automatically? Describe it and Claude Code will build it. You want one that follows up with leads automatically while you're sleeping? Describe it and Claude Code will build it. Okay, now those are the 4 ways to use Claude. Now I'm going to show you the last 2 that takes these 4 to a whole other level. Starting with plugins. Think of plugins like the App Store on your iPhone, except it's inside Claude. Each plugin is a bundle of tools that multiplies what you already have. You install it and Claude instantly gets a brand new superpower it never had before. So for example, let's say you install a Slack plugin. Claude can then manage your Slack messages automatically. Let's say you want to install a Canva plugin. Claude can then create aesthetic visuals through Canva. Whatever the plugin does, Claude will do it better, faster, hands-free. And what's even crazier, plugins also work inside of CodeWorks and Claude Code, so they can easily stack right on top of your best tools. No building or technical drama you have to deal with or figure out. You just install and go. And finally, number 6, which are called skills. This is the most slept on thing in this video, which is wild. So what are skills? A skill is just a folder with instructions on what you want Claude to do. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. You can easily plug in skills that's already built in or simply create your own in less than 10 minutes. Every time Claude does a job, it reads the instructions and does it exactly how you want it. And once it's installed, it works everywhere across chat, co-work, and code. So for your business, this means you stop repeating yourself to AI. You train Claude once on how you want something done, and it never forgets. This is how Claude stopped feeling like a general chat tool and started working like it was built specifically for you or your client's business. So remember, Claude Chat is the foundation of thinking, writing, and researching, which of course can be done on any device. Claude Co-work is for getting real tasks done on your computer. Dispatch is for automating and managing your business from your phone while Claude handles your task. Claude Codes is for building real apps, AI agents, and software without writing any code yourself. Plugins for instantly adding those superpowers to all the tools I just mentioned. And then skills are stored instructions for training Claude so it understands exactly how you want things done. 6 tools, 1 platform that will save time and help you make a whole lot more money in your business. If you're still watching this video, you're already way ahead of 99% of people using AI right now. So take advantage while you can. And if you'd like to use AI tools like these to create and sell digital products, tap the link in the description to grab your first 5K digital blueprint. See you in the next one.